Berry here. So hi angels. So we're playing Block Plus against to defeat the most highest score. And if you don't know what's the highest score in Block Plus, well, this is it. I don't know how many. Is that 2,002,000? So now let's start off. Okay. In this video, I might be quiet for some while, but oh my god. But make sure to be. Oh my gosh. Yo, wait a minute, guys. We're gonna stop it. So, guys, I'm back. So, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So, we are going to YOLO. So, guys, if you saw my friends like vid where we play MM2, we thought it was the Nilbean and the Erin because I'm a fan. And guys, I'm a fan of Creative Kai Bella. Yeah, it's yeah boy Monster Booty here. Yes, I want them. And I am really their fan, bro. Even though I just started watching them. Oh hell yeah. I made the right choice. That's my queen. Queen Ibella, stay watermelon forever. And obviously, you gotta watch this freaks. Your booty. Of course, your booty. You get booty Kyle. And I really like their avatar. Where like Kyle is like, yeah, booty is like cute, fat pig. I'm sorry, Kyle. I'm just a fan with no box. But I'm posting another video, so hit that notification bell so you're always updated for my post. And the other day, I posted my eyes and it said only hint and I deleted it because I feel like the eyes just giving it out already. Yes, I have another channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and it. But if you don't know, you don't know. So my only hint that in my channel is I have 85 subscribers. Yep. That does that pick up everything? Am I the only one girl who have 85 subscribers? Because I only have 2 subscribers this day. Okay, not me being quiet. Alright. Yes, I changed my voice because I hate it. It feels like I'm pick me. And thank you for the likes. If I only straightforward. My dream, guys. If you like and subscribe, and I said we only face reveal. Okay. No. Okay, guys. I think the video just ends, or this is just a start. Bye.